All right, so test the conjecture 1. We're testing to make sure, does the sign really tell us which way the line is going? We're going to have to determine the rate of change. We're going to keep writing this until we memorize it. So in order to find slope, we need 2 points. You can pick whatever 2 points, but you're not going to pick anything in the middle like that. You don't know where that is, okay? So it's crossing the graph here. That's the point 0, 10. And it is crossing here. That's the next point that's available. And that is at, actually, it crosses here also. Let's use smaller numbers. 1040. You get the same answer. So x1, y1 for our first point. x2, y2 for our second point. Plug it into the formula. My y2 is 40. My y1 is 10. My x2 is 10. My x1 is 0. 40 minus 10 is 30. 10 minus 0 is 10. We're going to reduce. Our slope is 3 over 1. You can leave it like that, or you can write it as 3. Again, get used to doing this. You're going to need it later. So that's test the conjecture number 1. Test the conjecture number 2. There is no picture, okay? But we still need to determine our rate of change, which just means our slope. x1, y1, label your points, please, always. x2, y2, slope formula. You're going to keep writing it until you have it memorized. And now we're simply going to plug in our numbers. y2 is 2. y1 is 10. That's negative. x2 is 5. x1 is 1. 2 minus 10 is negative 8. 5 minus 1 is 4. I'm going to reduce because I can divide both of these numbers by 4, and I get negative 2 over 1. That's my slope. You can write it as negative 2, but this way is better. So this line should be going which way? Down and right. I forgot to do that on the first one.